everyone, this is Tim Clemson, President, STL Restoration Pros. We're out in Chesterfield, Missouri today starting a roof replacement project. This home was damaged by a storm that occurred on November 5th of 2017. Large hail hit this area in several of the surrounding cities. If you believe your home may have been damaged by this storm, do not hesitate to call us to schedule your free home inspection. We will be able to determine whether or not your insurance company would be responsible to cover a new roof on your home. Thank you.